Hey everyone, finally got this in right here. This is the Samsung 45 watt supercharger, and this was part of a bundle, like a power pack bundle, for your $150 credit if you were an early Note 4 adapter or buyer for their promo. So here is the full bundle. This is the last one to come in. This was the whole bundle though. You get the two-way 10,000 watt wireless charger, portable battery, and then you also get the 15 watt fast charger from Samsung. So all this you could get for your $150 credit if you so choose, if this is what you choose. So there's so many options that you can get for $150. Like I said in the review of these two videos, you can also buy a Samsung TV or soundbar or a phone and then take $150 off. I decided to get this power pack bundle, and these two came in at the same time, so I already reviewed those. So now we're going to take a look at this one. This is the super fast 45 watt wall charger, and like I said, it was on back order. I know a few people online just got theirs like a week ago or last week, and I wasn't really expecting to get this until I think it said it was supposed to come in like October the 2nd or October the 3rd. It came in last night. I got home last night. It was September 30th last night. But once I got home, I wasn't able to unbox it for you guys, because as soon as I got home from work, I had to go to another work, and then after that work, I went and worked out. And after I was done working out, I was too tired, and I wanted to make sure my Note 10 right here was fully drained. The battery on this Note 10 is, man, it's amazing. I've been able to get like a full day and a half worth of just heavy usage with this Note 10, and the past two hours, 2.5 hours, I had to literally watch a bunch of YouTube videos. Well, not really watch them, I would just let them play, but then I would also go online and surf the web with the phone, and then do some text messaging and everything like that before the phone finally died down. If I didn't do any of that, the phone would probably still have at least 40% left charge from the previous day. And this phone, usually when I'm on to and from work, it's on my wireless charging dock inside the car, so that's probably also why I've been able to get such a long battery life with this. But anyways, we're not talking about the phone, we're talking about the super fast wall charger. So let's just unbox it, and then we're going to charge this phone and see how long it takes. So right here in the front of the packaging, you have, it says super fast wall charger with USB to USB cable. We're going to compare the this power plug to the 25 watt that came out of the box with the Note 10, or the 10 Plus in my case. Here on the right side, it says USB PD power delivery standard, 45 watt charging, and then again USB-C to USB-C. Here on the right side, it just says super fast wall charger with USB-C to USB-C cable. Here in the back is more features, so you can pause that and read it for yourself. And on the bottom is all your licensing and trademarks and stuff like that. So let's just open it up. It is a brand new device, so it's sealed with tape, so I'm gonna have to cut that. Okay, so we got the top of the box all cut up. Let's see what's inside. Pull the flap, and that's all you get. It wasn't really packaged, that's it. And there you go, just in a plastic bag. Not really any like styrofoam or anything protecting it either. So, but here it is. The box that this was in did have styrofoam, just not the retail packaging. So you got more plastic. So let's just tear this up. And there you go. This is your USB-C cable. The one thing I don't like is this seems to be about the same length as the other USB-C cable. And here's the 45 watt wall adapter right here, as you can see. And yeah, it is much bigger or wider than the regular. So let's break out the 25 watt charger just to compare. First off, let's compare the two cables. So I checked it out, and they're both the same length, the USB-C cables that come with the 45 watt charger and the regular 25 watt charger. But here's the difference. On the ends of the 45 watt charger, it's thicker than the I don't know if it's showing, than the 25 watt charger, the USB-C cable. The male end, or the end right here, as you can see, is bigger. This is the 45 watt, this is the 25 watt USB-C cable. And it's going to be like that on both ends. See, again, 45 watt up top here, and this is the 25 watt USB-C cable. Now let's take a look at the power cord, or the power plugs. So here is the 25 watt, and here is the 45 watt, as you can see. Or not, because my okay, 45 watt right here. Here's the 25 watt. You see how much bigger and wider it is compared to the 25 watt, for comparisons. Okay, and nothing much to walk through. They both use the USB to USB-C. And yeah, you're gonna have to use, because as you guys just saw, I don't think you'll be able to use your regular 25 watt USB-C cable with this 45 watt one. You're gonna have to use the one that came with this one also. So I'm just gonna plug this in, and my Note 9, or no, my Note 9, my Note 10 is dead. So let's see how long it takes to charge. Okay, so as you guys can see here, I got my Note 4 with the stopwatch app, and here's my Note 10, battery fully dead. And I don't normally do this. I recommend you to do not drain your smartphone battery to fully zero, because it does put a lot of stress on the battery. And if you're gonna want to keep your phone for a long time, and because all these new phones don't have replaceable batteries, you do not want to be charging your phone or discharging your phone to zero and then charging it back up to 100%. Normally, I'll usually just go 10 to 5% and then start charging it. If that, most of the times, once my phone gets to like 40% battery, I'll start charging it back up. But for the sake of this review and for science, we're going to do it. So let's see, I'm going to plug in the Note 10, and I just plugged it in now. And as you can see right there, it just started to get plugged in. I'm going to press start right here, and so now it's timing. As you can see, it said 0, and it is 8:47 in the morning of October the 1st. Right there. Zoom in more on there. Okay, 8:47 a.m. October the 1st, and now we are just starting to time it. So of course we're not going to videotape this the whole way through, because I don't think you guys want to sit around for about an hour. That's probably how long it's going to take, but we will see. So once the phone is done charging, I'll stop it, and we'll pick up from there. Okay, we are nearing 5 minutes out, so let's see where we are. Five minutes out, we are at 14%. Okay, now we're nearing 10 minutes, so let's see where we're at. So at 10 minutes, we are at 26%. And that 10 minutes to 26%, that would probably get you, I'm going to say, at least 2 hours on your smartphone. Maybe more with light usage. Now it's at 27% at just a little over 10 minutes. So I will see you back here at 20%, maybe 15%, and see where we're at. Okay, we're almost at 15 minutes out. Let's see where we're at. 15 minutes, we are at 38%. Okay. So I'll see you back at 20 minutes out. Okay, we're nearing 20 minutes out, so let's see where we're at. So 20 minutes out, we're at 49%. I think I'm going to see you guys at 30 minutes out. Okay, we're nearing 30 minutes out, so let's see where we're at. So 30 minutes, we are at 70%, as you guys just saw, and now it's 71%, a little over 30 minutes 10 seconds or 5 seconds, I think, and it's already 71%. So we'll see you back at 40 minutes. Okay, we are nearing 40 minutes, and we are at 85% right now. And there you go, 40 minutes, 85%. So we'll see you back in 50 minutes. Or it might be already charged by 50 minutes. Now, mind you, this is with the phone off. It'll probably take a minute, maybe 3 minutes more longer, maybe 5 minutes more longer with the phone on, you know, getting messages and stuff like that. But it's pretty damn fast. So see you in 50 minutes. Okay, we're almost at 50 minutes, so let's see where we're at now. Right now it's at 91%. So 50 minutes in, we're at 91%. So we'll probably go check back at 55 minutes. It might be at fully charged by then. Although they do slow down once it's close to 100%, the charging slows down a little bit so that your battery don't overheat. So we'll see. Okay, we're almost at 55, so let's see where we're at. 93% right now at 54.45. So yeah, it did start to slow down a little bit. I think once it got to 90. So 55, 93%. Well, we'll just keep going, see how long it takes to get to full 100. Okay, we're nearing 1 hour, so let's see where we're at. So we're at 95% right now, and it's now 1 hour at 95. So yeah, once it got to 90%, it's starting to slow down a little bit, the fast charging. So I'm thinking it's not going at the full 45 watts now. But we're at 96 now, a little over an hour, so we'll just keep going and see when we get to 100. Okay, so it's a little over an hour and 3 minutes, and it's at 98%. So I'm just gonna let it run here and see when we get to 100, which should be coming up soon. Okay, now we're at 99, as you can see, in just under an hour and 4 minutes. And there you go, 100% at 1 minute and 4 seconds and 1 hour and 4 minutes and 27 seconds, I think. I'll just have to rewind the tape and see where it's at. So yep, we're at 100%, and I didn't stop it right away, but I think it was at 104.27, but we'll find out when I go back and check the video. So that is pretty fast. It's 9:52 now. I think we started the test around 8:40 something, 8:47, around there, 8:46. So pretty fast. But this is with the phone still off, so I'm gonna turn it back on. And you know, if the phone was probably on, it might have taken a little longer if I was getting messages and things like that on my smartphone. But that is it. So hope you guys took something away from that 45 watt charging. And remember, the Note 4, or my Note 4, the Note 10 has a very sizable battery. What is it? A 4300 milliamp battery. And from 0 to 100, just a little over an hour and 4 minutes. Okay, so that is pretty darn good.